Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem and removing variables. Listen to each bud separately and note whether noise appears with calls, music, or when idle. Once done, check firmware and iPhone iOS versions, then fully charge both AirPods and the case. Make sure to clean ear tips and meshes gently with a dry, soft brush and 70% isopropyl on a swab for contacts only. This eliminates debris and contact faults that often cause crackles or intermittent connections. You now perform software-level fixes. Forget the AirPods and Bluetooth, then press the case button to reset until the LED flashes amber then white. Next, place both AirPods in the charging case, keep the case open near your iPhone, and let updates install automatically. Firmware updates often fix audio glitches. Make sure tips are seated and run the ear fit diagnostic in settings to confirm seal. Then toggle between active noise cancellation and transparency to see whether processing. You finish by eliminating remaining variables. Pair the AirPods with a different phone or computer to confirm whether the noise follows the buds. If the issue persists, examine the stems and microphones for dents or moisture. Physical damage often needs service. Make sure you have serial number and purchase proof and check warranty or Apple Care options before contacting support. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent noise continues after reset and firmware update, log short audio samples and timestamps to show technicians. That evidence speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.